Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about, is XRP a pump and dump? We're going to also look at the Bitcoin and, well, the Bitcoin chart and the cryptocurrencies and, the cryptocurrency market. And just overall talk about how to invest and trade this current market. All right. If you are losing money right now and don't know what to do, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here, even though the market is going down, we are making money. Okay. Right now, I know me and my students are happy right now. I know if you're tuning in for the first time, you're going to ask yourself, man, how, why are you so happy? Well, because we are making money. Okay. So if you don't know anything about that, definitely hit that subscribe button, because what I do over here, I just only focus on the charts. The charts will never lie to you. It will show you the way, show you how to make this money. So definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are watching that replay, you can actually hit settings 1.5, actually hit speed 1.5 or 2, and you can actually speed up the replay. All right. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving no one financial advice. This is entertainment only. All right. So let me give you guys a round of applause. I don't know how many people's in the building so far. I gotta check it out. Okay, let's go to that the chat room. All right, what's going on, Alex, Davina? What's going on, guys? All right. So like I said, if you're watching that replay, man, if you're not making no money right now, you're missing out. Or if you're not trying to learn how to make money in this current market, you're missing out, because you just on the sidelines waiting and hoping, and there's money to be made, plain and simple. Doesn't matter what the market is doing, going up or down. All right. What's going on, Keith? What's going on, Rufus? What's going on, Davina? What's going on, Alex? Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. Thanks a lot coming in, guys. Okay. We're definitely going to talk about, is XRP a pump and dump? We're going to talk about that later, and then we're going to just look over a couple of charts. I hope you guys are going to have a good weekend. All right, so far, well, over here is 1:37 p.m. Eastern time. So I really didn't do anything today. Just on the computer, looking at some charts, looking at some videos. That's about it. But let me see. But guys, overall, if you have any questions, definitely let me know. I will definitely get to you guys' questions. So let's go to the coin market cap right now. All right, let's see what's going on here, guys. Let's refresh this real quick. All right, let's refresh that real quick. So 217 market cap. Okay, we've been looking at that 220 mark. Okay, because that 220 mark looked like it was some type of resistance, right? Right here. So it looked like we had some type of resistance right here. So right now it is showing resistance. So we just had to wait and see what the market is going to do. Overall volume is still low. So I don't see any type of buying at all in this current market. This is why I tell people chill out when it comes to buying the dips. Just chill out, guys. We are not in a bull market. We are in the bear market, and the bears they don't play nice. Okay, the bears do not play nice. So it's best to just chill out. The volume, BTC volume is still low. It's crazy, guys. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we see 2 billion, but everything is just so low. But the market is dropping. It's looking weak. Actually, let's go to BTC first before we even talk about XRP. We will get to XRP later. But let's look at BTC. BTC looks like the new stable coin, right? BTC. I forgot who told me that. Somebody in the chat room, I think the other day, said BTC is a new stable coin. and it looks like the new stable coin. I mean, it's not doing anything. It's just going sideways. But eventually it's going to go up or down, okay? Right now, it looks like it's trying to go down because we are in a bearish pattern, okay? We've been going down for the whole year, okay? But this pattern that we are in right now looks like a continuation pattern. So I expect Bitcoin to continue to go back down. Yesterday we had a nice little pop, okay, and then it fell right back down. So, you know, overall, this doesn't look bullish at all, and we just gotta wait for this, you know, for the market to speed up and give it some type of volatility, okay? But like I told you guys before, XRP is the coin to play, okay? Until XRP slows down, XRP is the #1 coin that I'm looking at, period, okay? XRP is the #1 coin I'm looking at, period, to make money from, because XRP pretty much, since that big spike, has been the money maker, okay? That's why one of my students made, what, 31,000 in one day. I actually took a short right here on XRP a couple of days ago. A lot of my students are actually making money from XRP on the long side and the short side. So XRP right now is probably the best coin to look at to make this money, okay? This thing looks weak right now, so it's definitely on my radar. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Let's see what I see. Let's see if I see any questions so far. It is the weekend. It is early, so you know, I don't expect a lot of people in the room, but let's see what we see so far. All right. Kind of flat in a couple of days, made $20 here and there. So shout out to Alex, he made $20 here and there. Let me hit. All right, and shout out to everybody that's making this money in this current market, man. You understand, guys? A lot of people hate, right? They envy people that knows how to make money, and they are not making money, because they are on the sidelines waiting. So a lot of people envy that, okay? A lot of people hate that, and you see it. You see trolls coming in and out of the live stream. They hate when people are making money and they not making money, okay? So shout out to all you guys that's making money out here. Let me give you guys that flex bomb. All right. Shout out to all you guys that's making money out here. And even if you're not making money, shout out to you if you have an open mind, okay, about, you know, studying the market so you can eventually make money, okay? So shout out to you guys that even if you're not making money, you have an open mind, okay, and you want to actually start to make money. So shout out to you guys too. Definitely don't want to leave your guys out either, okay? Because even if you're not making money right now, it doesn't matter. If you have an open mind and you're studying, okay, eventually you're going to start making money, okay? Of course, you're going to make mistakes here and there, but at least you have an open mind. You're studying. That's better than looking at, you know, being on the sidelines and looking at people making money and you're not doing anything. So shout out to you guys too. All right. Let's see if I have any more questions. Like I said, if you're joining this live stream right now, you're having a hard time in this crypto space. You don't know which way the market is going to go. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Definitely hit that subscribe button. All right. And if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. Type your questions in the chat box. But I'm here to tell you, especially if you're new to my channel, if your favorite YouTuber been telling you to buy the dips this whole year, I definitely highly recommend you not to listen to that YouTuber when it comes to trying to make money. Okay, if you want to go to his channel, if you want to watch the news, fine, you can do that. But when he tells you some type of way to make money, I think you should turn your back and go somewhere else, because most of these guys on YouTube are fakers, liars. They don't know what they're doing. They don't do this full time, okay? And that's why I don't have that many views. That's why I don't have that many subscribers, because I'm telling you guys the truth. But a lot of people think I'm trying to. A lot of people think I'm being negative, okay? And the whole point is I'm not being negative. I'm actually being positive, okay? How is that? Okay, well, it's because I'm telling you things that's going on, okay? And I'm trying to help you guys save money, because I've been through a bear market before. I've been through a bear market. So I know how a bear market works, and I don't want you guys to lose your money. So that's why I'm actually being positive, okay? I'm trying to tell you guys, teach you guys, hey, man, listen, buying the dips right now is probably the worst thing you could do ever, okay? Most people think I'm talking negative, because I'm not saying things like Bitcoin is going to 50K or XRP is going to hit $5 or whatever the case is, all right? That's not actually being negative. I'm being realistic. I'm looking at the charts, and the charts is telling me we are going down. That, you know, so you can't hate on me. I don't control the market, all right? I'm just relating what I see. I go to the charts, I'll look at the charts, and I'm telling you guys what I see. I see the market going down. The market looks weak, all right? So let me see what's going on in the chat room. Terrence said, let's get this crypto. Exactly. Let's get this crypto, guys. Okay, you're going to have people that hate, but at the same time, hate is all good, because that's energy that they are, you know, they wasting energy, okay? And I say this in my course. I said this in my you know, my course that I have, okay? Everything is energy, guys. Everything is energy, okay? So, I'd rather take my energy and use that energy on things that's going to help me make money for my family, okay? When you hate on people and you complain, and when you basically do all those negative things, you're just wasting energy, okay? So shout out to all you guys out here being positive. Let me see here. I'm reading these questions here. XRP does this all the time, then Lumens and Nims follows. What's going on, Terrence? What's going on? Dev said, I need to get that day trading course. Shout out to Dev. Yeah, man. I definitely will let you guys know when that's coming out. Hey, what's going on, Lewis? What's going on, Leslie Savage? You said, I love when people hate on me. Yeah, of course. Mike said, do you still discount on the program, Mike Time? Yes, during my live stream. On my live stream. Why, Mike Time? Do you want to get the course or something like that? Let me see here. I'm trying to get to these questions. You said, Eric said, any trolls around today? I want to hit that troll, but I know, right? Yeah, Mike Time. Okay, so Mike Time, give me like 5 or 10 minutes, and I will give you the course, all right, for a discount. Keith said, I love that energy lesson, Big Ben. So valuable. True. Yes, man. For real. All right, so let's get to XRP, guys. Let's get to XRP. All right. For all my XRP investors, holders, hodlers, whatever you want to call yourself, shout out to you. Okay, shout out to you guys. Okay. I have nothing bad to say about you as an investor, okay? But you have to understand, over here, I try to be as real as possible. Right now, XRP is looking like a pump and dump, okay? I'm trying to be as real as possible. I'm looking at the chart. I'm trying to basically, I wish I can come on here and say, man, XRP looks bullish. We might hit $1. I actually even said that last week. I said, guys, if Bitcoin decides to break those double tops, I can see XRP hit $1, okay? So I'm trying to give you guys something. I'm trying to help you guys, give you some positive vibes, but it's hard when I come here and I see XRP just going down, okay? So I just have to keep it real and say this looks like a pump and dump, because we shot up all the way to 80 cents in the same day, guys. I mean, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Okay, the same day, this candle went all the way back down to like 56 cents, okay? So automatically when I saw that, I was like, man, that doesn't look bullish at all. Okay, and then next thing you know, we was forming this nice little triangle, which I thought we was going to break up to the upside. I thought, you know, we was going to break to the upside. I thought we was going to at least test the top again, okay? And next thing you know, it broke down. I'm like, goodness gracious. So we went all the way right back down to 44, all right? So it popped up, gave you a nice little green candle right here, consolidated, right? This nice little triangle broke out of the triangle. So I was like, okay, fine, okay. Looks like people are buying XRP. Looks like the Wells is trying to prop this thing back up, maybe to 80 cents, maybe to a $1, okay? And now, you know, I see it hit resistance and then it come all the way back here, okay? It came all the way back here. So I'm like, oh my gosh, okay? And then next thing you know, I see a red bar right here, this big red bar, and that's when I knew it's a strong possibility. I'm talking about 90% chance that actually when it pulled back here, it had a 90% chance that it was going for these stops. So that's why if you go to my last videos, go to, I don't know, my last 2-3 videos, I had this arrow on the chart, okay, for the longest, pointing out that the market most likely will go down and stop these guys out, okay? Because once you understand how the market works, understand how it works pretty much, these guys are always looking to stop you out, all right? So when it came here, I was like, all right, it looks like they're going to stop these guys out, all right? So we went down right here, the big candle, and this is when I took my short right here, made money off this, okay? And then it went up yesterday. Remember that pop that we had yesterday? But guess what? We had a crazy pop yesterday, and look at the candle, guys. This is why it's very good to you know, just read the charts. Look at the candle. It popped straight up, but look where it closed at. It closed right at the bottom, okay? So that's not bullish at all, because this candle right here was all the way at the top, okay? Then went all the way right down and closed, and next thing you know, we got sellers coming in. Same thing right here, okay? This green candle right here was green all the way up here, okay? If this was real bullish, it shouldn't have went all the way down, back down to this point right here, okay? So like I said, I'm trying to help you XRP guys, give you guys some type of positivity, but every time I open up the chart, it's telling me this thing is weak, all right? So right now, this thing looks like a pump and dump. It looks like sell the rumors. I'm sorry, not sell. Buy the rumors, sell the news. All right, that's what it looks like. And not only that, most likely it will come back. You see this breakout right here, guys. All right. So most likely this breakout right here is most likely it's coming to this breakout, and then most likely if it comes to this breakout, we will see new lows. All right. So that's when I stand when it comes to XRP. You know, I wish I can give you guys some good news, but this thing looks weak. All right. It is what it is. If you have any questions, guys, let me know. Let me know. This is why I love looking at the charts. This is why I don't follow anything else but the charts. Okay. People have been hyping up XRP for what? For I don't know. The whole month, last month, September. But my chart is telling me something different. Okay. So that's why I don't really care about all that, you know, the news stuff. I love looking at the charts because the charts are the numbers, and the numbers will never lie to you. Okay. The numbers will never lie. All right. So let's go to these questions, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. You said Monday is Columbus Day? Yeah. Let me see. John said, I bought your course the other day. Millionaire Mindset, working on the charts. Good stuff. Yeah, shout out to John, I'm sorry. Shout out to John. Thanks a lot for buying the course. I'm glad that you are enjoying the course. Definitely. That's what's up, man. Are you think XRP should be at 35 cents? So I guess you meant to say, do I think XRP should be at 35 cents? Well, should be. I don't know what, you know, things should be. But at the same time, if it's breaking and stopping people out, the next area would be right here, which is was it 43? Okay, the next area would be 43, and if we break that, we might find some type of support around here, maybe some temporary support. And if it's just a small little bounce and then it breaks back down, then most likely we're going to 33 cents. What do I think about TRX? I'll get to that later. I mean, every coin right now is weak. I'm talking about chart wise. I mean, it's weak. Is your course a one-time payment? Yes. It's a one-time payment, and it comes with a Discord room so you can chat with me, my traders. All right. And it's a one-time fee. Yes, it's not a monthly. Lord of the Boy said, I sold most of my XRP yesterday, today, and so I can use the money for swing trading. Your course and your Discord opened my eyes making this money. Let me give him a round of applause. Lord of the Boy sold most of his XRP, and now he's using that money to swing trade, and that's what's up, man. I can't hate on that. I can't hate on that. I know some people are looking at that and say, man, this guy is stupid, but I can't hate on that, okay? Because I don't blame anyone that wants to start making money right now instead of waiting and hoping that the bulls is going to come, okay? So I can't blame no one. Like Lord of the Boys, I can't blame them. Well, this whole year, people that have been buying and holding, they've been waiting, okay? So shout out to you for having an open mind, and you want to make this money. So shout out to him. Let me see what I see here. Leslie Savage said the chart is telling us to be bear. Exactly. Plain and simple. Hey, Ben. Sorry about my question, but can you explain me a bit about volume? You said volume. How to read it? Volume is basically how much orders came in, and that's really you need to know. I mean, you can, if you have level 2, you can actually go a little deeper, see how many orders come in. But volume itself, you don't really need it. Okay, you don't really need volume at all. But it's just how many buyers and sellers, how many people bought at that level. Okay, so if you notice that right here we spiked up, you see the volume spiked up like crazy. But look at the bar. Okay, look at this bar. This bar is real big. So that means that there was a lot of buyers at this level, and they just start buying like crazy. Okay, so volume is just the amount of buyers and amount of buys and sells. Okay, don't get too caught up with that. You don't really need it. H2O said, don't hodl XRP, only trade it less the man says. XRP token has no function to ripple. Man, bottom room is selling news. Shout out to you, man. H2O. I want to buy your course, but I lost my money on BitMEX. I will buy it on another stream when I'm ready. All right, no problem. Emil said, do you think it's a good idea to invest it? Emil, let me ask you this question. Are you new to my stream? Emil, are you new to my live stream? Cuz I'm trying to figure out. So you said the course discount, you want the course discount? SY, you want the course discount, you said? You said, is the course a long video explaining everything? Or what? Yeah, the course is basically the course is actually separated in 2 sections. Okay, so so section number 1 is when I'm talking about a bear market. All right, how to tell whether we in a bear market. All right, and section number 2 is actually talking about a bull market. Okay, I separated, and it's videos. It's not that long. It's probably what, I don't know. The whole course is what, 2 hours, maybe 2-3 hours. But basically, I show you how to make money in a bear market and a bull market. Is the best course on the market itself, because no course out here is telling you how to make money right now, or how to make money, you know, both ways, put it like that. So this is the best of both worlds. You guys keep on asking me about this, so let me just give you guys that discount real quick. But yeah, this course is videos explaining everything, explaining how the market works, how the charts work, how to make money in this current market, how to enter, how to exit, everything, all the works. All right. You can see the testimonials, people making money from this course. So that's why I said this course is the best course, period, in the crypto space, hands down. It's just what it is. So for you guys that's been asking me about the course, here's that link. And also the course comes with a Discord room. So the Discord room itself is actually worth more, actually worth the price, period. Because you can get to chat with my students and me. We post charts and all that stuff. So I'm reading these questions. Let me see here. So yeah, Emil, are you new? So yeah, Emil is new to the channel. So shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I definitely appreciate it. Emil, so over here, Emil, me personally, I tell people, chill out with buying the dips, okay, or buying period in this market, because overall we in a bear market, okay. So this is not a period where you just want to buy, okay. This is not a period where you want to buy. Of course, I'm not giving no one financial advice. You can do whatever you want, but I can tell you this much. Your favorite, I'm quite sure, whoever you watching right now, your favorite YouTuber, probably been telling you to buy the dips this whole year, okay? Most YouTubers been wrong the whole year. I would say 98% of YouTubers been wrong the whole year. All right? So, I can lie to you and say, yeah, man, buy right now. This thing is going to go to the moon. I can lie to you and say that, yeah. To get more viewers, to get more views, I can do that. But you have to pick and choose. You have to figure out, okay, Do you want me to lie to you so you can lose money, or do you want me to tell you the truth? It might hurt, all right? It might hurt you, but at the same time, it's going to most likely save you money and make you money at the same time. So it is what it is. And for you guys that want this course, SY, if you're looking to get this course, let me know when you get it, because I want to send you my email address so you can get that the Discord link. So let's go to these questions, guys. Let me see if I see any questions. If you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, please don't be shy. No one's gonna bite your hand off. And also hit these likes. So let's go down to these questions here. Mike Time said, "Do teach how to predict future prices on altcoins." Mike, that's a myth, Mike. Mike Time, that's a myth. No one on this planet can predict future prices. That's a myth. That's why I shake my head when I see these stupid analysts come on CNBC or these YouTubers talking about XRP is going to 589 or whatever the case is. That's a myth. You can't predict any type of price in the future. What technical analysis allows you to do is make money from a pattern that pretty much repeat itself over and over and over. Okay, so that's what technical analysis allows you to do, is make money from patterns that shows up on a chart. Okay, it doesn't tell you how far XRP is going to go or whatever the case is. All right, so let me see if I could go back down. I mean, look at these questions. You said apparently for the market to turn around, like to be bullish, it has to go up at least 19%. 19% up. Does this make sense? No. Well, for me to turn bullish, Bitcoin has to go back to at least 10,000. Okay, and not only go to 10,000, we have to break 10,000 and continue to go up higher. Okay, we just can't go to 10,000 and then next thing you know sell off. No, we can't do that. We have to go to 10,000, hold that level, make higher highs, and that's when I'm saying, okay, it looks like it's might be ready to buy. Anyway, what I'm looking at right now, XRP just shot down a little bit more, so this might be a flush. I don't know. It might be a flush out. We might see it go to these 40 cent level, 43 cents right here. All right, so let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions, guys. What's going on, Lopez? You said afternoon. How's everyone doing? How you doing? That's good. Short the tops, yes. Shout out to Golden On for giving me that super chat. Let me give him a round of applause. Thanks a lot, Golden On, for giving me that super chat. I appreciate it, man. Definitely appreciate it. Golden On is heavy in the Discord room, and I can tell that he's hungry and he wants to learn. Okay, so shout out to him. Haynes said, remember the 5th of November. What about it? Haynes, important date. Guys, can you tell me what's guys, can you tell me what is the 5th of November, please? Gosh. Dev said buying the course is good because you'll learn in the Discord. Yes, that's true. Yeah, guys, what's going on November 5th? Boy. I swear. All right, so XRP looks like it's probably going back to these 43-cent lows right here. And we might find some type of support around there. Maybe temporary support. We'll see. So, could anybody tell me what is the 5th of November, please? Can someone tell me what is November 5th? Ah, man. This is crazy here. Lopez, you know what November 5th is? Ben, they talk about bearable guy. No one is telling me what is November 5th. You said XRP will go. Hey, crypto legend XRP will go to 500 by November 5th. I don't know. I don't know exactly what you guys are trying to say, but you guys are not giving me any details. You saying it's about the witch hour? I don't know what's the witch hour. Are you saying that Bearable Guy said that November 5th is going to be epic? I don't know. But anyway, so this is what's going on. Someone asked me about Tron TRX. Let's look at Tron TRX here real quick. Let's look at the chart. So yeah, so Tron TRX was in this consolidation, broke it. It's having a hard time going up, though. If you look at it, it's having a hard time going up. So we just got to wait and see. All these other coins are just weak. XRP, like I said, guys, XRP right now, period, hands down, this month, is probably the best coin to trade right now, okay? A lot of my students, including myself, making money from XRP, trading it, okay? And that thing is pretty much is going to be the coin that's giving you the gains that you want to see. Most of these other coins are just stuck, like BTC. It's stuck. So we just gotta wait. All right, so so look, guys, since I got you guys on this live stream right now, the question of the day is, was Ripple XRP, a pump and dump, okay? And I'm talking about pretty much in September. Was September a pump and dump? So, guys, in this live stream, what you guys think? Do you think XRP was a pump and dump? Okay. Was it buy the rumor, sell the news? Those who did sell XRP will remember. Yeah, so your guys are not saying anything. You're just saying November 5th, which is cool. These XRP dudes listen to a freaking cartoon. Oh, so I'm guessing Bearable Guy said something about November 5th, and everybody said everybody just basically going crazy. Okay, now I see what's going on. No, November 5th is supposed to be Elite's wealth transfer. Okay, yeah, no problem. What's going on, Beamer? Shout out to you. I'm trying to read these questions. So, actually, guys, do you think this was a pump and dump? This September buy, do you guys think it was a pump and dump? Let me see. Alex said yes, pump and dump for sure. So, like I said before, I gave you guys my view. Earlier, I gave you guys my view on XRP. You know, so I was basically going through this today. Okay, Poloniex yanked the margin trading for the U.S. customers, and the United States, they love to do this, guys. Okay, the United States, they love to do this. When it comes to margin and leverage, they love to tell us what to do. It's you know, it's ridiculous. They do it with stocks. They do it with forex. It's, you know, it gets ridiculous. Okay, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But you know, the U.S. government is hating on crypto traders right now. So I don't know if any of you guys is on this platform right here, but you might have to switch. You might have to switch. So let's see what you guys are saying in this chat room. And guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because over here we like to make money. We don't like to hype things up, but we like to make money. Okay, so if you're that person that wants to make money, you're tired of this this market, basically hit that subscribe button. All right. Let's see here. Keith, you still in this building, Keith? So Leslie Savage said yes, pump and dump. Golden On says pump and dump. You said somebody's still blocked. Who's that? Who's blocked? Who's this right here? You said it's still blocked from the chat in the live stream. I don't know who was that. What happened to XRP, Ben? Basically, XRP went up, okay, because of the news, and it went right back down. It's a classic buy the rumors. Adrian Toka is still blocked. Oh, for real? Let me see if I can unblock him. Is he in the Discord? Is he in the Discord? He told you that? SY said, it's not allowing me to buy your course because I'm not from the United States. SY, a lot of people that are not from the United States bought my course. SY, a lot of people from the United States bought my course. But the next thing to do, SY, is to email me, right? Email me right now. Email me right now so I can remember that you was on this live stream. And I will give you another link, and for sure I you know, almost guarantee you that link will work. It requires a U.S. number. I don't know. We mean a U.S. phone number? Are you talking about? SY. A lot of people that bought my course is not from the United States, so I don't know why you're having problems. But if you are having problems, I just gave you my email address. Okay, I just gave you my email address. If you're all having problems, email me right now so I can know you was on the live stream, and I will give you a different link. That link should help you out. But overall, I think you should be able to still buy it because a lot of my students are not from the US. All right, so let me see if I can get Adrian back on. All right. Keith, you still in the building? Okay, yeah. So now, Keith, I wanted to know, do you think that this whole pump right here in September, do you think it was a pump and dump? I want to, hear your thoughts. So I'm trying to see if I can see Adrian right now. Adrian, somebody blocked Adrian by mistake yesterday or day before yesterday. I'm see if I can actually get him. Back on the stream. Let me see here. And guys, give me a second. I'm looking through his name. Oh, I see him. All right. So, Lord of the Boards. Tell Adrian try now. Tell Adrian to try now. He should be able to. He should be able to come in. Where is the strongest support and resistance right now? Well, right now this is the next resistance zone right here. Okay, so this 43 cents right here is the next resistance. I mean the next support. Okay, so it looks like it's trying to go back down to that 43 level. Okay, so once we get to this level, we might see some type of support. Okay, we might see some type of support. Okay, so will it bounce a lot or will it just bounce a little bit? Okay, if it bounces a little bit, most likely it will continue to go back down. Okay. Yes, Lord of the Boards, tell Adrian to try now, okay? Okay, so Adrian, if you're tuning in, try to make a comment in the comment box. I tried, you're not blocked no more. So Keith said, oh yes, definitely a pump and dump, XRP, and still think BTC is the leader, will drag everything down. Okay. And Lopez said there's too many Mickey predictions and XRP joke is real. Okay, I see. So November 5th is probably coming from somebody that everybody looks up to in the XRP community. So I see what you're talking about. All right, so that's nothing. Let me see. Keith said a golden rule you teach, Ben, is never to go against what the market is doing. Exactly. Bitcoin Cash. Oh yes, Bitcoin Cash is just waiting to, man, Bitcoin Cash, whew. I can see this thing going all the way down to this candle right here. There's a lot of space right here. There's a lot of space to go all the way back down to these lows right here. A lot of space. Man, I'm telling you, these coins, if you look at them, these coins are setting up to go down. Most of these coins are setting up to go down. You just got to wait for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is so slow right now, guys. But most of these coins are setting up to go down. Bitcoin is trying to do something, but it's still slow. But if you look at the overall Bitcoin dominance, it is rising up. I told you guys that I believe we will continue to see it rise for the whole year. It is what it is, you know. You said he's trying right now. So SY said I sent you an email. Okay, I'm gonna send you. I'm gonna definitely get to your email. Okay. SY. Shout out to Shane. Shane said you. Let me give him a round of applause though. He gave me that super chat. Shout out to him. He said you can't call yourself an investor if you don't own XRP. It's definitely the hottest coin out there. Time will tell. So shout out to Shane, man. Thanks a lot for that super chat. Thanks a lot. So guys, I want to go over a couple of things. I want to go over a couple of things real quick. Shout out to everybody that's on this chat room though. If you have any questions, let me know. We talked about XRP. You know, I told you my thoughts earlier about XRP. Bitcoin itself is still not doing anything, you know. So my thing is Bitcoin will continue to drag. Oh, what's going on, Adrian? Adrian is back, so let me give him a round of applause. Yeah, so Bitcoin will drag everything or everybody down. So it's very hard to see any coin just separate from Bitcoin and go up. You know, it's very hard to see that. So that's what I'm looking at right now. And for you guys that's buying the dips, just be careful. That's all I gotta say. Just be careful, because buying the dips right now in this type of environment is it's just probably not a good thing to do. Put like that. So let me I'm trying to give. Let me go through these questions real quick. I'm trying to look for that link for SY. Let me go to these questions real quick. Let's see if I see any questions here. Lopez said you have a short-term strategy. He's asking Shane. A lot of money out here. Yes, Leslie Savage. A lot of money to be made. Okay, so if you're out here, guys, out here, not making any money, that means that you have to basically study the market. There's money to be made right now in this current market. So you guys have to just study the market. So let me see if I see questions here. SY said, can you tell if BTC is going up or down? Right now, BTC is basically giving us a sign that is going down. Okay, Lopez said, I saw a Bearable Guy episode on Unsolved Mysteries. Exactly. What about leveraging on BitMax? Yeah, a lot of my students use BitMax. Ben was the only YouTubers that saw 24 cents use XRP come in months before it happened. Shout out to NN. NN is right. Honestly, I forgot all about that. NN is actually talking about. Damn! Look at this candle on the daily chart, guys. Look at this candle. That's crazy. I didn't even look at the daily chart on this. But anyway, what NN is talking about is when XRP was pretty much probably around here somewhere around here. But anyway, I was trying to figure out where XRP can go. Okay. And I was like, okay, the next stop would be this breakout right here. If you notice that XRP broke out right here. Okay, so I said, guys, don't be surprised if you see XRP at 29 cents. Okay, and guess what? Guess what, guys? You see, as soon as it went to that breakout, we shot up. So this stuff is real, guys. This stuff is real. SY, are you still in the building, SY? I just sent you a link. Try that link and tell me what's going on. Shane, Keith said, Shane, if you don't have Ben's course, you should because he talks about different types of investors buying and holding. Yes. So if anybody don't have this course by now, check it out. Of course, during the live stream, I give you guys that discount. So the original price is actually 210, and right now it's 110. So check it out if you want to see how I made money from XRP, Bitcoin. I actually made a short on XRP 2 days ago. My students is making money, so if you want to learn more about that, definitely check that out. Let me see. Can you predict the bottom? No. SY. No one can predict the bottom at all. That's impossible. But SY, check your email. I just sent you a link. Brandon said if BTC doesn't bounce from, yeah, it's a wrap. You said my TRX short was filled. Okay, I hear you. You said worst case you break even. I hear you. Hey, what's going on, PJ? So guys, I wanna go through something real quick. And like I said before, SY, I just gave you the link so you can check your email. You said the link I sent you is for 210, is it? Oh, you're right. It is 210, right? I'm going to change it right now. And for you guys that's watching this live stream, if you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. Been trading the charts. So if you have any questions, let me know. So SY, check it right now. Check it right now. I just changed the price to the 110 price, SY. So check it right now. But let's see if I go to these questions. All right, so guys, I want to go through a couple of things before I get out of here. I wish I went through these earlier on a live stream because I want people to see this. But I actually might make a separate video explaining this, going over this again. But I want to go through this before I leave. Like I said before, I wanted to. I wish I was going through this in the beginning because, you know, some people don't like to watch a video that's an hour long, whatever. But I might make a separate video for this because this is very important. Because a lot of people in the crypto space are lost. They are lost and they don't understand what's going on. Okay. And when I first started out trading and investing, I was lost too, guys. This is why I come on here and I try to help you guys not blow up your account or waste your money buying the dips, because we don't know when the bull market is going to come. And not only that, we don't know if the coins are going to, your favorite coin is going to go to zero. So anyway, these are pretty much the 8 things I wish I knew before, I started out, before investing or trading, and I want to go through these real quick. The first thing is, don't get married to a stock or coin. Okay, so basically the reason why I put stock is because I started out in the stock market. All right, but this applies to the crypto market too. So don't get married to a stock. I wish I knew this, because when I first started out, I got married to a whole bunch of stocks, and most of those stocks broke my heart. And I realized that just because you think something's going to happen doesn't mean that, it will. And it's okay to lose. Okay, it's okay to be wrong, because most people don't want to be wrong. So let's say, for example, your favorite coin is Tron TRX or Litecoin or whatever the case is, right? And it's going down. Okay, and things don't look right. Most people will just hang in there and stay married to that coin or that stock. Okay, but I'm here to tell you it's okay to be wrong, because you are going to be wrong. We all are human beings, so we can't be right 100% of the time. Okay, so it's okay to be wrong. Okay, but you don't want to be wrong and be wiped out. Okay, you don't want to be wrong and be wiped out, because if you're wiped out, that means you back to ground zero. You're back to level 0. So you have to start over again. Okay, that's the worst feeling, guys, to be wiped out and starting from scratch. I've been through that so many times, getting wiped out and have to start from scratch, have to save up some stupid money, go to my job. It's the worst feeling ever. Okay, so I know marrying stocks is pretty much the wrong thing to do. And because anything can happen with these stocks. Anything can happen with these stocks. Anything will happen with these coins. If you don't believe me, go to CoinMarketCap. Look at the screenshot of November 2013 when the bear market started, and look at the first page of the CoinMarketCap. Okay, you'll see most of those coins are either out of here, they disappeared, they went to zero, whatever the case is, or their price is so low right now that it didn't make any sense to even hold those coins. So I don't marry any stocks or coins. That's just my thing. All right. And when you marry these coins, pretty much you are relying on a company to make you money. And I don't like that. I'm relying, you putting all your power into that coin to make you money. I'd rather have the power where I can make money for myself. Okay. Number 2, I wish I knew that buy and hold mostly is for the rich. Okay, I wish I knew that. Okay, buy and hold is pretty much for the rich, guys. Like it or not, it's for the rich. Now, I know some of you guys are going to say some craziness. Oh, what about this or what about that? Okay. If you look at the numbers, for the most part, it's very hard to make money from buy and hold. And the reason why a lot of people, well, I'm not going to say a lot of people, but some people got rich from Bitcoin is because they was at ground zero. Okay, anybody could have got rich if they was at ground zero. But you have to understand that this market that we are in right now, this crypto market, is changing. All right, it's not the same. We are at crazy levels. That's why you see most of these coins pulling back like crazy, dropping like crazy, because the market is stressed out. Okay, it's stretched, to the point where it can't go no more, and then it has to drop back down. Okay, so it's going to come to a point where the market is going to just become slow. We're actually starting to see it right now. The market itself is going to become slow. It's not going to be a regular, unregulated market, because the reason why you see prices was going up crazy back in the days, it was pretty much, it was new and it was unregulated. Okay, but this market that we're seeing right now is going to change. It's going to be much slower. It's going to drag out. So that buy and hold strategy that you have right now is probably going to hurt you, because you probably going to have to wait a long time just to get your money. Okay, and we don't even know how far things will go. And the reason why it's mostly for the rich is because the rich has a lot. They have a lot of money on the side to play with, so they can say, okay, I'm gonna take a small percentage of my wealth and put it away, okay, for a long-term investment, and the rest of the wealth that I have, I'm going to use that to make more money. Okay, but when you are at ground zero, because I know most people that are watching this live stream right now, trust me, I know you don't have a lot of money. Okay, and when I mean a lot of money, I'm talking about 10 million plus. Okay, I know most of you guys don't have 10 million plus. So if you are not at that level, you don't have the luxury to just sit and wait and buy and hold and hope things will work out. Okay, because your life could actually pass you by. You wait in 10, 15 years for something that you hope that's going to work out. And what if it doesn't work out? That's the problem with buy and hold. Buy and hold is not 100% guaranteed. So what if your coin doesn't work out? That means you waste 10 to 15 years of your life that you can't get back. Okay, so we don't have the luxury to wait. This is why it's very important to gain knowledge, build skills, so you can grow your money right now. Okay, the name of the game for most people that's watching this channel right now, okay, is to make money right now so you can build up your wealth, because you don't have that much wealth right now. You don't have that much money. Okay, you don't have that much money. So your main goal should be, how can I build up my wealth now consistently? Okay, and not only that, when you do that, you can give your kids something to have, and something that's going to get them to keep that generational wealth. Okay, buy and hold is let's say for example, you make $1 million from a buy and hold situation, right? And let's say that you give your $1 million to your kid. So your kid is going to, number one, waste that money because they don't have any skills to make that money grow. Or let's say that you tell them, okay, I want you to take this $1 million and buy and hold some more coins or whatever. Okay, so that means that your kid has to still go back to work, still go to their 9 to 5, buy and hold coins until that coin make the money. Okay, so it's just a process of relying on the coin, hoping that the coin will work, and meanwhile you going to work a 9 to 5. I'm trying to get you guys out that 9 to 5 rat race. Okay, it's going to be hard to do that with a buy and hold strategy, because buy and hold strategy forces you to still work. Okay, because you got to wait. I want something that's going to replace your income, you replace your job, your 9 to 5. Okay, and when you are buying and holding, you actually are slaves to the news. You're a slave to the coin or the company. Okay, you're a slave to the fundamentals and the YouTubers, because you always looking to see what's going to affect your coin going up or down. Okay, I want to give you guys the opportunity to not be a slave and make your own decisions. All right, number 3, be realistic. I wish I knew this, because when I first started out, I wasn't realistic at all. Okay, I thought my stock was going to go to the moon. I thought it was going to $50, whatever the case is. At the time I was buying stocks that was 10 cents. I thought it was going to go to $30, whatever the case is. But, you know, you have to be realistic, guys. You can't have these unrealistic numbers, because I'm telling you this right now. You would be right more if you are realistic versus if you're not realistic. So let's say that this is a great example right here. Okay, let's say that XRP will hit $5, right? That's a realistic number, because we saw XRP hit $3 in the before, right? So going up another $2, that would be realistic. But saying XRP will hit 10,000, that's very unrealistic, guys. All right. Saying Bitcoin will hit $1 million, that's unrealistic. Okay. Be realistic, and I can guarantee you, you would be right more than you'd be wrong. Period. Hands down. All right. Number 4. Okay. Beliefs are not facts. It's pretty much tying to number 3. Okay. Beliefs are not reality. I wish I knew this, because this is a hard one right here. This is a hard one right here. Okay. Most people can't really separate these two. They think that the beliefs are reality. Okay. Because you can see it the way they talk, right? They talk like they know it all, right? And it's based on everything they say to me, especially the trolls. Everything they say to me is based on beliefs. 100% beliefs. Okay? But I'm here to tell you that your beliefs is just that. You believe your coin would do this. You believe your coin would do that. Okay? But it's not reality. Okay? People talk in absolutes. Like they say Bitcoin will never go to 3,000, right? People talk in absolutes like they control the market. XRP will never go to 2 cents or something like that. Okay? You can't come here and say XRP or Bitcoin will never go at a certain price, because number 1, you don't control the market, and number 2, just because you believe that doesn't mean that's reality. It doesn't mean that it's a fact. Okay, this is a big one right here. I had to get used to this, because I used to always say, man, my stock, I know it's impossible for my stock to drop down at a certain price. Impossible. I used to say that to myself. And then next thing you know, guess what? It drops down. So this is going to be a hard one for a lot of people. I talk about this all the time, but the reason why I bring it up is because this is something that you just can't hear for one time. You got to hear it multiple times to get it. Most people they will never get this right here. Okay, and this will pretty much hurt them, because they think they can outsmart the market, all right, and buy dips because they believe that the market will go up on November 5th or whatever the case is, all right? But me personally, I love to take things day by day, look at the charts, and that's it. Okay. Number 5, the market is controlled. I wish I knew this. Okay. It doesn't matter what the white papers say. It doesn't matter what fundamentals, what the fundamentals are. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, the market will do whatever it wants to do. I had to learn this stuff. I wish someone had told me, man, this stuff doesn't matter. Okay, you come to me and you read things that you see on news and read or tell me what stuff that you heard on CNBC, but that stuff doesn't matter. The market is controlled, meaning that there are people out here that control the market, and they can make the market go up and down, whatever they want. Okay. If you don't believe me, well, look at this year. Okay. It is what it is. And most people don't understand that we are competing against the richest people on the planet when it comes to the market. Okay, it's not a free market where supply and demand works. Okay, most people think the market is based on supply and demand, but it's not. Okay, it's controlled. You can look at the gold market, you can look at silver, you can look at any market. Okay, controlled, every market, even a crypto market. So whatever you believe, just because you believe things will go up doesn't mean it's gonna go up, because they're controlling it. They can do whatever they want. Okay. These guys are 1,000 steps ahead of us. They have all the time in the world. You think 10 years is a lot. They think 10 years is nothing, okay? Because they have other vehicles on the side that's making them money, so they can wait 10, 20 years while you suffer because, you know, these guys are rich, all right? And also, you know, the market most likely will do the opposite of whatever you're thinking, okay? Whatever you're thinking, the market is going to do the opposite because the market is designed for you to lose. So that's why, you know, I just shake my head when people come on here and they think they got it all figured out. They think they know the market, right? Anyway, number six, news is worthless, okay? 90% of the time, news is worthless because you know why? Unless you have inside connections, every time we get the news, we are late, guys. We are late to the party. All the big dogs know the news before it comes out. And it's baked into the chart already. So I don't really care about the news. We see it. If you don't believe this, look at this year alone. We had good news back to back, but the market is continuing to go down, right? The market is going down every single month. Okay. People are always going to talk about back. People are always going to talk about the ETFs, mainnets, going live, all that stuff. Okay. A mainnet comes out, it goes up before the news comes out, and then drops right back down. A certain coin goes live. As soon as it goes live, it drops right back down. So if you don't know that the news is worthless, you should. I mean, this year is a perfect example. This year, okay. Let's see. Make sure that you guys are still with me. All right. All right. Make sure you guys are still with me because I've just been talking. Can you guys hear me good? You guys hear me good? All right. Making sure you guys can still hear me good. Okay, so I guess you guys can still hear me good. All right. All right, so number 7, all right? Guys, listen to me. This is a big one right here, all right? This is a big one. Don't fall for the hype, okay? I want you guys to listen to me, okay? There's people out here that's trying to lie to you on purpose, okay? So let me repeat that because this is a big one right here. This is a big one right here, okay? And shout out to everybody that's new to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing money and you're tired of this people telling you things and the market is continuing to go down, if you're tired of that, then hit that subscribe button because over here we are making money because we understand how things work, okay? Number 7, guys, this is very important right here. Very important. Don't fall for the hype. Because there's people out here that's trying to lie to you on purpose. To make you believe that your favorite coin is going to go up at a certain price, go to a certain price. So why would they do something like that? Why would people lie to you and say your coin will go to a certain price? Why they would do that, Ben? Why would they do that? Well, it's because, first of all, they know that this is the stuff that you want to hear. Okay, this is the stuff that you want to hear. Okay, I literally, guys, I can get more subscribers. I can be at 10K, 15K subscribers right now if I told every video, if I say, guys, buy the dips. Don't worry, the bull market is going to come next month. Literally, my subscriber base would be much higher than this, okay? But I can't tell lies because I do this full time, all right? I trade, invest full time, so me telling you lies doesn't even make any sense, okay? But let's go back to this. People are telling you lies on purpose because they know that this is the stuff that you want to hear, okay? They know that you want to hear XRP is going to 589. They know that you want to hear Bitcoin is going to $1 million. They know that you want to hear Ethereum is going to hit 20,000. Okay, they know that you want to hear this. Okay, And the reason why they tell you this stuff is so they can actually make money from you. Okay, so let me say that again. The reason why they hyping you up is because they want to make money from you. Okay, so how can they make money from you? Okay, well, number one, we could talk about the YouTubers. YouTubers, they make money from views, right? They make money from views and subscribers. So the more subscribers they have, the more views they have, YouTube will promote their channel. Okay, so that will allow them to, number one, make more from the AdSense. Number two, they can promote ICOs. Okay, they can promote anything, affiliate products, whatever the case is. All right, onto you, so they can make more money. Okay, most of these guys, most of these YouTubers, I can probably almost guarantee you, they don't even believe half of the stuff they saying in the videos. Okay, so those how the YouTubers make money. Okay, from the views, for the subscribers, the more subscribers they have, that means that they have more eyeballs. The people from the ICOs, they approach them and they get in like 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 a pop. Okay, and these guys, when they promote these ICOs, these ICO guys tell them what to say. Okay, so you think that when you hear about an ICO, you think that your favorite YouTuber is telling you, telling you something good, but they were the people from the ICO company, right? They told them what to say. Anyway, so how does the whales, they can actually make money from this too. So when you see people on CNBC come on, right? CNBC come on saying that Bitcoin is going to go to 50K by the end of this year, how does that help them? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, because they want you to do the opposite. Okay, you have to understand, in order for the whales to make money, you have to do the opposite, because they have to take your money. Okay, this game is shady. Okay, this game is shady. It actually goes right back to the market is control. Okay, this game is a shady game. The stock market, Forex, every market, I don't care what market is very shady. Okay, they want you to believe the opposite, so you can do what you can do the opposite, and they're going to basically, so for an example, if they say, come on CNBC and say, hey man, Bitcoin is going to, don't sell your coins because Bitcoin is going to 50K by the end of this year, they want you to buy and hold, because they know that if you sell all your coins, they're not going to make any money. Okay, so they need someone to hold coins so they can keep selling the market and make money. Okay, so don't fall for the hype, guys. This is all a game. You don't have to believe me. I'm okay. I'm straight. But I'm here to tell you guys stuff that I wish someone told me when I first started out. Okay? And if you look at it, it's usually the people that's uneducated that believes all the hype, right? And when I mean uneducated, I'm not talking about having no degrees from college or high school. I'm not talking about, book smart. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about uneducated when it comes to the market. Okay? It's usually the people that's very uneducated when it comes to the market that falls for the hype. When people say, yeah, man, this coin is going to go to this price. Okay? It's usually the people that's very uneducated. They fall for it, and next thing you know, they lose their money. Okay, so that's why it's very good to educate yourself, find out how things work. And number 8, guys, make sure you guys are still with me. So you guys are still with me. You guys can still hear me. Make sure you guys can still hear me before I continue this. Okay, cool. All right. So you guys say yes. All right, you're still with me. All right, cool. So number 8, guys, is this is a big one too. Learn how to read the charts, man. Okay, it goes back to a lot of stuff I'm talking about. Okay, news. Okay, the news is just manipulated. Okay, the market is controlled. So all this stuff that you're seeing, okay, pretty much to make sense of the market, like to make everything make sense, you can do that by going on the charts and looking at the numbers, guys. All right? The numbers will never lie to you. Ever. Okay? So people on CNBC could say, hey, man, don't sell your coins because Bitcoin is going to go 50K. They can say that all they want. But once you go to the chart and you see something different, okay, you know deep down in your heart that these guys are a whole bunch of liars, and the chart is telling you something, telling you a different story. Okay, so that's why, guys, I don't care about what these other YouTubers are saying. I don't care about CNBC. I don't care about ETFs. I don't care about BAC. I don't care about none of this stuff that people come on this stream and tell me about. I don't care none about that stuff. Okay? This is why I told you guys in the beginning, all right? In the beginning, I told you guys that people that buy and hold, okay, you are slaves to the news. Slaves to the fundamentals, okay? You worrying about everything. You worrying about all the news, the new news stories that come out. Okay, you searching, you're going on websites like this to search for the news and trying to see the latest news. Okay, while guys like me, all I'm doing is open up my laptop, looking at the charts, and boom, making money. All right. Reading charts literally changed my life, guys. I'm a person that basically barely graduated from high school. I hated school, guys. I hated it. I didn't know why at the time. Now I know, because the stuff that they teach us is so boring, guys. I don't want to know about all that stuff, because think about it. We don't even use that stuff in the real world. Okay? So that stuff is boring. It was boring to me. I didn't know at the time. I just thought I was just, I don't know. But I didn't go to college, okay? But I decided to, actually, I got into the market by mistake. I wouldn't say by mistake, but someone introduced me to the stock market, because where I'm from, okay, where I'm from, we don't talk about the stock market at all. Okay, someone introduced me to the stock market. At the time, I was buying and selling cars. Some guy was selling his car to invest in the stock market. And like a guy like me, I'm not closed-minded at all. So I'm like, okay, for real, you can make money from that? Tell me more. Okay? So he told me what to do. He told me websites, blah, blah, blah. But he was just a buy and hold guy anyway. So he really didn't put me on to like real game to the point where I'm making money. You know, he was buying and holding, and we both lost money on that stock. But I didn't get mad. I didn't get mad because once I make a decision, I know that you know, things can happen. Right? I didn't get mad. I was like, man, you know why I didn't get mad? Because I saw opportunity. I said, okay, I lost money on that one, but man, look, you see this stock? You see that stock? I saw multiple opportunities. Okay, and I started to study the charts, figure out, man, this buy and hold thing is not what I thought. Okay, it's not really how to make money right now. Okay, so that's why I learned how to swing trade, how to day trade, because that could literally give you, and it can actually replace your job right now. Okay, so I started to read the charts. It took me a long time, guys. It took me a long time. I told you, I mean, I'm quite sure you guys know my story. It took me like 8 years to figure a lot of stuff out. But it was worth it, because, like I said, I mean, guys, imagine having the power to wake up. Okay, you're in your house, you open up your laptop, and boom, you make money whenever you want. Imagine having that type of power. Okay, it doesn't matter right? You know, when you read the charts, it doesn't matter whether the market is going up or down. Okay, the people that troll me, that comes on my live stream, are the people that don't know how to make money when the market goes down. So they are frustrated, and they taking out their anger on me, and they should use that energy to study the markets so they can make money too. Because there's plenty of money out here, guys. Okay, I can't make all the money. You can make money too. So you don't have no excuse. Period. Hands down. All right. So these are the 8 reasons why, guys. Okay. Learn how to read the charts. Learn how to read the charts. Okay. Stick to it. Even if you make mistakes, stick to it. I mean, I don't think no one actually ever on this live stream been what I've been through. So you have no excuses. I'm quite sure none of you guys tried out reading the charts and trading for 8 years straight and not make no money. Okay, so none of you guys on this live stream can't tell me nothing, because none of you guys never been through what I've been through. Okay, so for you guys that's you know, thinking that you got it hard, you don't have it hard. Okay, you don't have it hard. Okay, you have it easy because you got guys like me that's telling you the truth and trying to help you guys shortcut the process, speed up the process. Okay, trying to help you say, hey man, listen, this how things work. You can shortcut, you know, speed up the process. Of course, you're gonna make mistakes. Okay, I'll tell you straight up, you're gonna make mistakes. But you know, definitely you shouldn't be giving up. Okay, you should be just continuing to grind and grinding out. Okay, eventually this stuff is gonna be second nature, and you know, you can make this money because there's money to be made, guys. So by learning how to read the charts, I don't rely on no one, guys. I don't rely on no one. This is why I can come on my YouTube channel and talk whatever I want to talk about. I can talk whatever I want to talk about. Most of these YouTubers are scared to talk about certain things because they feel that most people are going to hate on them. They feel that people are going to unsubscribe. I can come on YouTube and feel so good and talk about anything I want, right? Because I don't rely on YouTube, guys. This is where it's at right here, the market. All right. So if you guys have any questions, I know I've been talking for a long time, but some live streams I have things like this where I want to talk about because I think it's very important. Okay, like I said before, I think I'm going to make a separate video just talking about this again, because I don't think a lot of people is going to see this. I don't think a lot of people is going to watch an hour of a live stream, so I might make another video just talking about these 8 things. But shout out to all you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me see what's going on here. All right. What's going on, Bun and Sky? Where do I see the crypto market a year from today? I don't know. I try not to think that far, Shane. Let me see here. Mike Time said buy and hold is for the rich is true. Ben, you're not a liar. That's why I keep watching. So shout out to Mike Time. Shout out to Mike Time. Thanks a lot for keep on watching. Adrian said we hope to be at a market cap 5 to 10x higher, but hoping is not reality. Shout out to Adrian, and shout out to all you guys that's dropping these bombs. Shout out to all you guys dropping these bombs. Shout out to all you guys dropping these bombs. as we speak, XRP is just dropping right in front of our face, guys. XRP is just getting lower and lower. Let's see here. Shout out to Adrian, studying hard. The problem is with the people that bought at 1800. Yeah, I mean 18,000. Zerati said pump and dump. Pump it, you said? You said dump it. You said and pump it. Keith said everything you're saying is facts, man. I used to buy and hold XRP and I got sad and every pump and dump until I got your course. I changed hoping to believe it. Shout out to Keith dropping these bombs. Study the course, study every day, and get used to Discord. Yes. So I'm trying to read these questions quick. Also, SY, are you still in the building, SY? Because I was talking and I didn't see if you was having problems with the course again. But let me see. You said just pump and dump, fools hold XRP, sell it now. You guys is funny. Yes, it's just a bonus, exactly. If Bitcoin goes to 100K, it's just a bonus. You're right. They call it a trade game for a reason. But losing your life savings and getting wiped out is real. Facts. Beamer said this is a real truth on so many levels. Shout out to Beamer. Beamer been killing it. He's actually one of my students. Let me see here. You said, so what do I sat according to the chart? Oh, so what do you say according to the chart? I don't know what you mean by that. What do I say according to the chart? I don't know if you mean what's going to happen. I mean, basically, if you look at the chart right now, XRP is just going down. Like I told you before, guys, XRP is probably the best coin right now to trade. Period. Hands down, the best coin to trade right now. Beamer, are you in this short right now? Are you in these trades? XRP is the best trade, best coin right now because the volatility on it is crazy, and the reward on it could be crazy too because this thing could go all the way back down. Let me see. Fetch said, I feel blessed that I found you, Ben. Thank you. Shout out to Fetch, man. Thanks a lot for finding me and, you know, staying here and watching my live streams, man. Thanks a lot. Wallet said, should I sell my XRP? It's up to you. Of course, I can't give no one financial advice. It all depends on how much money you have on it, what price you bought it at. Do you have more money to do other things? Okay, so for example, I have a course right here that I tell everybody, you know, it's the best course period, because the price, you can't beat it. We go to look at my testimonials. Okay, you go look at it. People are making money right now in this current market. If you have money on the side to swing trade, then you know you just have to figure that out. But let me copy and paste that link for the people that don't have my course. Check it out. That discount is right now on our live stream. Let me see here. XRP run out of FOMO. Reality is here, guys. Oh man, y'all guys is funny. So Beamer said he just made a quick 128. That's what's up, man. Let me give you that ka-ching button. All right, here. Steven said, Ben, you have opened my eyes. Everyone here likes the video. So it pops up on XRP. So it pops up on, no, right? All the XRP boys is gonna get tight. And like I said before, I have nothing on XRP. Okay. Shoot, I mean, like I said, it was up to me. I wish, you know, XRP goes to 589, but it's not up to me, guys. I don't control the market. Okay, I'm just reporting to you guys what I see from the chart. The chart is telling me that it's weak and it looks like it's gonna go right back down. So I'm just reporting that to you guys. Okay, I'm not telling you any lies. I'm not telling you things that that I made up. Okay, you can look at the chart. That's why it's very good to you know, understand how to read the charts. Okay. Now, if I told you that XRP is going to $100, then that's a lie, because I don't know that. Okay, but if I come on here and say, hey man, XRP looks weak, you can't sit here and tell me that that's not a lie. We looked at the chart. We are looking at XRP selling off because XRP went up right here. Okay, we broke this triangle. We should have just kept going up, but no, XRP just selling off like crazy. So that's why I love the charts, guys. The charts will guide you. It will set you free, guys. If you don't have to deal with stupid news and YouTubers that's talking nonsense. But anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. It is the weekend. Don't want to spend all day on this live stream. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by, keeping me company on his live streams. I don't know if SY left, but shout out to you. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Appreciate it. Hope you guys have a good weekend. I might do something tomorrow. I don't know. But if not, hope you guys have a good weekend. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Keith said, thanks, Ben. This stream was epic. Classic. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Yes, man. I'm going to drop one of these bombs one more time. Alright, guys. So, continue to have a good weekend. Continue to improve. Continue to study. And get better. That's it. This is how you're going to not only survive the bear market, but actually make money in the bear market. Okay, you have to get better and practice and study. All right, so thanks a lot, guys. I will see you in the Discord room. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day.